Is there any doubt of our previous topics? Is there any doubt to anyone? You can ask to me. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Students, you have any doubt of
No,
any,
sir.
on any topic
No,
of these
sir.
chapters? Okay, no issue. So let's proceed the next topic, that is your cloud computing. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the topic of today. Today's topic is your cloud computing. See, what is this? Cloud computing refers to storing. Storing means what? We are going to save. We are going to save. See, cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. Instead of hard drive, hard drive, or you can say that what? Hard disk, hard drive or hard disk. Okay? We are going to save our information. We are going to save our information, okay, over the internet. Okay, na? If cloud computing means what? We are going to save our information, save our data, or access our data, okay, over the internet. Over the internet. This is known as what? Cloud computing. Okay? Means we are saving our information over the internet. Over the internet, saving the information, or you can say the storing the information, okay, or accessing the information. Accessing the information. Accessing means what? Accessing means what? Means using. Accessing means what? Using the information. Okay? While over the where we are just accessing or storing the information over the internet, that is known as what? Cloud computing. Okay? We will not save our information on a hard drive or any other secondary devices Okay? We will save our information over the internet. That is your what? Cloud computing. That is your what? Cloud computing. Just saving our information, just saving our detail, accessing the information over the internet. That is known as what? Cloud computing. Yes, tell me. Who is asking
Sir,
question?
cloud computing is also known as cloud storage.
You can say. Okay? Cloud computing is also known as what? Cloud storage. Cloud storage. It is the latest form of storage. Storage type. It is the latest form of storage type. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will not save our information in any hard drive or hard disk. Okay? We will save our information over the internet. Okay, na? Over the internet. Okay? Or you can say that digitally. Or you can say that digitally we will save the information. Digitally in the sense here means what? On the internet, over the internet. See, the cloud is just like a metaphor for the internet. To store and access program over a cloud, you need access to a cloud. Okay? So if you want to just store your information, if you want to access your information, take over the internet, or you can say that on the internet, for that we need cloud. There are broadly two types of clouds. Broadly two types of clouds. Okay?
Cloud.
Two
Public cloud and private cloud.
types of cloud. Two types of cloud. First is your
Public cloud
public cloud,
and
and second
Private cloud.
private cloud. Private cloud. Okay? So
Cloud.
try to understand these two types of clouds. Okay? Public means what? Tell me, what do you mean by public?
All the peoples.
For everyone. For
multi.
everyone. For
Multi.
everyone. Okay? That is known as what?
Cloud.
Public. Okay? For public
Yes, sir.
means for everyone. Okay? If information are stored for everyone, that is known as what? Public cloud. Means ki any person can use this stored information. Any person can use stored information, okay, in public cloud. In public cloud, okay. In public cloud, if any information saved, that will used by anyone. That will used by anyone. Okay. And what do you mean by private? Silent student. Hey, what happened? Aryan, just mute yourself now. If you have problem, you can mute yourself. Student, just mute yourself, everyone. If you have any problem, you can mute yourself. And at the time of your question, then unmute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Private means what? Individual. Private means what?
Personal.
Individual. ठीक है ना? For single person. For single person. Are you individual? You can say that. ठीक है? If any information is stored for single person, ठीक है, over the internet, that is known as what? Private cloud. That is known as what? Private cloud. ठीक है? Cloud means what? Cloud means what? Storage. Cloud means what? Storage. ठीक है? So there are two types of storage. Or you can say that cloud over the internet, storage over the internet, that is known as what? Cloud. ठीक है ना? तो public cloud and private cloud. Public cloud, that the information which is stored on the internet for everyone is known as what? Public cloud. Is known as what? Public cloud. And private cloud means information that is stored over the internet for individual person also. Only for individual person only. That is known as what? Private cloud. Clear to everyone?
Private cloud.
Okay. So
Sir,
in public,
example.
Yes, sir.
I will explain the definition with the help of your books. I will give the examples also. Here I am giving explanation in brief. ठीक है ना? Then after we will discuss thoroughly. ठीक है? तो public cloud and private cloud, storing the information over the internet for everyone. For everyone. That is known as what? Public cloud. ठीक है?
Public cloud.
And if you are just saving your information over the internet, mind you, where we are just saving.
Over
Over the internet. We are just saving
Over
our
the
information over the internet, accessing the information over the internet. ठीक है ना? For that, we use this cloud, and there are two types of internet: public cloud and private cloud. Cloud means what? Storage. Cloud means what?
Internet.
Cloud means what? Storage.
Storage.
Ah. You can say the storing information. Storing information over the
Internet.
net. That is known as the cloud. That is known as what? Cloud. Okay, so keep it in
Cloud.
your mind. Huh. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See what's your book say. Let's see what's your book say about your cloud computing, public and private cloud. So public cloud refers to a common cloud service made available to multiple subscriber, or you can say that users, or multiple users or subscribers, means open to all, open for all. Okay? The cloud resources like server and storage are owned and operated by a third-party cloud service provider and delivered over the internet. It is controlled by a third-party subscriber user, okay? And all the informations are stored over the internet for everyone. For everyone, anyone can use. Means anyone can use. Okay? Do you know what do you mean by server? Tell me, what do you mean by server? What do you mean by server?
Main computer, which has high storage.
Which has highest storage capacity. Which has highest storage capacity. Okay? The computer which is strong in the sense it has highest storage capacity.
Highest storage capacity.
So these
And
public cloud
speed.
is these public cloud is controlled by a server, okay? By third party. Okay? In a public cloud, you share the same hardware, storage, and network devices with other organizations that use the same cloud, called cloud TNets. TNets. So in a public cloud, you will share the same hardware, storage, and network devices with other organizations. Okay? Means overall, you can just share all types of your information, okay, over the internet if it is in a public cloud. Okay? That process is known as TNets. That process is known as what? TNets. Okay? Public cloud deployments are frequently used to provide web-based email. Okay? So service provided by public service provided for public cloud is your email service. Okay? That is open for all. Na? Okay? Email can use anyone. Online office applications.
Yes, sir.
Online office application, if any application, matlab ki you can say any type of software related to the office work, okay, and performing over the online, okay, so we can perform any type of storage. If you want to store any type of information, okay, over the internet, for that we use what? Public cloud. And testing and development environments. If anything want to test, if you want anything want to develop, for that also we use what? Public cloud. Means doing our work over the internet for everyone, open for everyone. That is known as what? Public cloud. Clear to everyone? Doing or you can say the accessing or accessing information over the internet, that is known as what? Public cloud. Okay, and storing information also, and storing information also, that is known as what? Public cloud.
Cloud.
Yes. Microsoft Azure, Google Drive, Google Drive. Do you know
Drive.
na Google Drive? In your mobile
Yes, sir.
phone, you will see this Google Drive. So these are all the examples of your public cloud. These are all the examples of public cloud. Google Drive. Google Drive is the best example of your what? Public.
Public cloud.
Yes. Okay. Amazon Cloud.
Public cloud.
Amazon Cloud. Okay. Amazon Cloud. Okay. If you want to just store any type of information related to you, okay, on Amazon. Okay, na, for that we use Amazon Cloud. Okay. So similarly, if you want to just store any type of information you have, if you have any type of information, then you can store where? Google Drive. Google Drive, and you can use. Okay, na? There is no any need of any secondary storage device. Any secondary storage device like your CD, DVD, pen drive, hard disk, no requirement. Okay, na? With the help of your cloud, okay, na? That is your public cloud, you can store all type of information, and you can access also. Okay? Suppose that you have a picture. Okay? If you have your own picture, okay, and you want to store. Okay? So it is really not possible to carry all time your pen drive or CD or DVD or hard disk. It is really not possible to carry the things if, every time. Okay? This type of storage devices. Okay? So then what we will do to overcome this situation? Okay? I don't want to just carry any type of storage device. Okay? Like your CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay? For to overcome this situation, I will save my information where? On Google Drive. On Google Drive. I will save my information on Google Drive. And what is the benefit of this? Okay? There is no first benefit is there is no any requirement of any secondary devices. Okay? There is no any requirement. Okay? We will save our information over the internet. Okay? And second important benefit of this,
No chance of losing information.
very good. We will not lose our information. We will not lose our information. Okay? So take one example. Suppose that you just saved your information in pen drive, and you lost your pen drive. Means what? Your data is also lost. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay? But in case of Google Drive, no one can just take your information from Google Drive. It is safe. Okay? So this is the second benefit. Okay? First benefit, no need to carry any type of storage device. Second benefit is we will not lose our data. We will not lose our data at any cost. Okay, na? At any cost. Okay, na? We will not lose our information. Okay? And third benefit, we can use our information anywhere. We can use our information anywhere. Okay? Suppose that this time I'm in Balia, so I can use my information in Balia. And after few days, okay, after few weeks, after few months, I am in America. Okay, na? I am in US, United States. Okay, na? So at there also I can use this my information. At there also I can use my information. Okay? Without any storage devices. So this is the benefit of cloud storage. This is the benefit of cloud storage. And example of cloud storage is your what? Google Drive. Okay? You all can see in your mobile phone. You all can see in your mobile phone this option, Google Drive, that is used to store information. Okay, na? Over the internet publicly, mind you, publicly means what? For everyone. Clear to everyone? Example is clear?
Yes, sir.
Example is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
One student was
Yes,
asking
sir.
example.
Yes, sir.
Example is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
ठीक है, तो Amazon Cloud is also
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. If you want to just save any information, do you know Amazon is a site that is used to Amazon
Shopping site.
it is a site of e-commerce. It is a site of
E-commerce.
e-commerce. E means what?
Electronic.
Electronic.
ठीक है, as we all know that E means what? Electronic, and commerce means what?
Business.
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 Yeah, if you want to just perform any type of business over the internet, okay, that is known as what? E-commerce. So Amazon is the site of what? commerce, ठीक है ना?
Commerce.
E-commerce.
If you want to save related to your work,
Sir?
related to your business, ठीक है, तो we can store in Amazon cloud. Yes.
सर कोई इंफॉर्मेशन गूगल ड्राइव में स्टोर किए, क्या सर दूसरा कोई खोल के देख सकता है उसको?
ना ना, तो
another
ये
person.
तो we for to see that information we need what email ID, password, ठीक है ना? So many things asked by asked by Google to save our information. It is protected. Overall, you can say that it is protected.
Protected.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is protected. Okay. Without the permission, without the authentic person permission, no one other can use. Okay. No one other can use. Clear?
Yes.
Use. Yes, sir.
Let's move for the private cloud. Let's move for the private cloud. Okay. Private means what?
Individual.
ठीक है, for single person.
Individual.
For single person. ठीक है. And public means open to all. For
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
See what is this? A private cloud consists of computing resources used and exclusively owned by one business or organization. ठीक है ना? Many informations are stored by single organization or single business. ठीक है ना? That is owned by. Owned means what? Owned means OWNED. Owned means
उसका मालिक.
हाँ, user.
Use.
You can say that.
उसका मालिक
हाँ हाँ. Owner.
founder
That is owned by one business or one organization. ठीक है ना? In a private cloud, the service and infrastructure are always maintained on a private network, and the hardware and the software are dedicated solely to one organization. Take it means overall you can say that individually it is controlled also. Individually it is controlled also. It is defined. It is developed for single person and controlled by the single person only. So here is a word coming solely. It is a word solely. Solely means what? Solo means what? Single. Solo means what?
Single.
Single. Solo means what? Single.
Single.
ठीक है, तो that is the solely. That is your single. Controlled by the single. ठीक है ना? Private clouds are often used by the government
Yes.
agency. It is used by the government purpose. It is used in the government purpose. ठीक है ना? Government agency also used like your CBI.
Purpose.
ठीक है ना? All the defense, ठीक है, defense agencies use this type of what? Cloud storage. That is your
Private server.
private cloud. ठीक है, used by
Private
government. हाँ, used by the government agencies. Second, next, financial institutions. Financial institutions, the institutions who deals in finance. Who deals in finance? Finance means
सर डिफेंस में जो कंप्यूटर होती है वो सब तो
So,
स्टैंड अलोन
finance.
कंप्यूटर होती है ना.
हाँ, standalone.
with sub finance.
Yes, finance related to money. Related to money. ठीक है ना? Finance related to the money. Finance and other mid to large size organizations with business. ठीक है ना? And others organization also means mid to large, means smallest to largest, not smallest. ठीक है? More than smallest, large, more than smallest. That is mid. Mid means what? In between smallest and largest. In between smallest and largest. So mid organizations also use this service. That is your what? Private cloud to store information. Large organizations are also used private cloud to store information. Individual organization, mind you, individual organization. ठीक है?
Organization.
हाँ, with a business critical operation seeking enhanced control over their environment. ठीक है? And controlled by the same organization, institutions also. A private cloud, also known as internal or enterprise cloud. It is also known as private cloud. It is also known as what?
Internal.
Hmm?
Internal or enterprise.
Internal,
Internal.
Cloud.
internal or
Enterprise.
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 Or
ठीक है?
enterprise cloud.
ठीक है? Private cloud is also known as what? Internal or enterprise
Or
cloud.
enterprise cloud.
Internal means
Under.
inside. Internal means what? Inside means
Inside.
overall. It is talking about individual. It is talking about individual. ठीक है ना?
Individual.
Single. It is talking about single. ठीक है ना? Protected behind a firewall, and it is protected by a firewall. wall. ठीक है, here is try to understand this word firewall.
Type of antivirus
None, हाँ, you can say it is type of antivirus.
which protect from hacking.
Fire wall. ठीक है, fire wall. It is a
Yes, sir.
security layer. It is a security layer
क्या हुआ?
in between client
What is Norton?
computer and server. ठीक है ना, it is a security layer. It is a security layer in between client computers and server. Between client computers and server. ठीक है, there is a layer, there is security layer that is known as what? Firewall. ठीक है, you can take the example.
Sir,
SSL.
Norton.
Firewall.
Norton is a type of antivirus. And Norton is what? Antivirus that protects us from viruses. That protects us from viruses, worms, ठीक है, Trojan horses, malwares, like this. ठीक है, तो Norton is used to Norton antivirus is used to protect, ठीक है, from viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and other malwares Clear? But firewall, what is the use of firewall? Try to understand here. What is the use of firewall? It is a security layer. It is a security layer, okay, that is in between client computers and server. That is in between the client computers and server while just getting information. Okay, when you can say that when client asks question to the server, okay, so there will be a security layer that is known as what? Firewall. Example of firewall is your SSL. It stands for security socket layer. Security socket layer. Okay, it is a layer in between client computer and server. That is known as what? Firewall. Okay, na? So overall, it is used to firewall is used to control the security, the information stored for private cloud. Information stored in private cloud. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The use of this private wall and this and that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Today's topic clear? Cloud computing. Cloud computing
Yes,
is
sir.
clear to everyone, na? What is the use of cloud computing? And how many types of cloud computing?
Good,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Clear?
Two types.
Two types
Yes,
of public and private.
Private.
Is there any question?
Private.
Is there any question?
No.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so
No,
it is.
sir.
Huh?
Example of firewall, sir.
Firewall SSL. That is your security socket layer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is a security layer that is in between client computer and server. Client computer. Client means what? Client means
The person who stores
client
information.
means user.
Main computer.
Client means what?
User, yes.
User. We people. If we are using the computer system, if we are using any type of device, means we are client. We are user. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's enough for today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In next meeting, we will learn multimedia and social networking. ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
So read this topic yourself also. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
In tomorrow class, in next class, not tomorrow class, in next class, we will discuss on our topic multimedia and social networking. Clear to everyone?
Multimedia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Keep study. ठीक है?
Thank you,
Thanks, sir.
sir.
Okay. Bye bye.